This is how to adjust the hue to your video footage and clips in Capcut Mobile free tutorial.
If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more. Presets and effects for life, click the link down below and enjoy the tutorial.
Step 1, click on your video clips or footage, make sure it's selected and highlighted. Go down and scroll to the right until you see the option Adjust next to Video Quality and Auto Reframe. Now you want to scroll all the way to the right until you see the option which says Hue next to Fade and Temp. And basically, if you drag this slider to the right, notice that your video is changing color, or at least for me it's turning color purple. If you drag this to the left, it's changing color green. And once you're happy and satisfied, you can click the check mark, or if you want, you can reset or apply this to all of your video clips and footage in Capcut Mobile completely for free. And this is what we have. Or should I say, this is the before, and this is the after. You have now successfully changed and adjusted the hue in Capcut Mobile completely for free.